In the last videos, we completed the registration, we completed lab and we got 750 credits. Then what's next? Should I start the game? What are arcade games? What are skill badges? How do I earn points? What should I complete first? If you have these questions, this video is for you. I will answer all these questions and we are going to register for games as well. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do next and you won't have to depend on anyone. So let's get started. This is episode 4 in our Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator Program 2026. In the episode 1, we understand the complete program and roadmap. In the episode 2, we completed the registration. In the episode 3, we completed our first lab and unlocked 750 credits. Now it's time to start the actual learning journey. I already covered this topic in a detailed manner in the episode 1. Please watch that. Here I'm just going to give some kind of recap and we are continuing this video. So one arcade game equal to 1 arcade point, 2 skill badges equal to 1 arcade point you are going to get, and apart from that, once you reach the milestone you are going to get the bonus points. So guys, there are 4 milestones are there. Each milestone has different bonus points will be there. For example, you completed the 6 games and 18 skill badges, then the total points will be 15 and you are going to get the plus 5 bonus points. So total will be 20. Suppose if you complete that optional bonus exercise, then you are going to get the plus 10. So that is how all the milestones drives the points. But the point here is the ultimate, you can notice it by completing of this 2.5 months program. If you complete these 12 games and if you complete these 66 badges and that additional 10 bonus points, then you are going to get the total 90 arcade points. Ultimately, if you're really looking for the swags, you should aim for the ultimate. That means that 12 games, 66 badges you had to complete within the 2.5 months. Clear? Now I'm going to tell you why you have to aim for the ultimate. Let's first look into this. Trooper is 50 points and 75 points. Next one is champion is 95 points and legend is 120 points. Suppose if you are focusing on the ultimate, then you will be come under this ranger tier. Okay, here actually 4000 seats are there, but here actually 6000 seats are there. Suppose if you get only 50 points, these 50 points can be achieved by many people. Seats are very less, so that is the reason you have to achieve for this 75 points. That is nothing but ultimate. These are the different tiers. As I explained, almost everyone can reach the 50 points, so that 6000 seats can be filled very faster. And if you aim for the ultimate, then you will be part of that ranger, so chances are very high you can get these swags. That is a smart way you have to think about it. So guys, this is the official page again. This is the syllabus. This month, July month, there are 6 games already launched. So next month again they are going to launch 6 more games. Again 6 more games on the September as well. So total 18 games. Once the games are available, join the game first. Click here. 17 days are remaining. 359 spots are just remaining. I think spots might be 0. Don't worry, because as I told you, 18 games will be there for entire 3 months. Okay. So once you see my video, just join all these games first. Okay. Sign in to join this game. You just sign in with your Gmail account where you created your skills profile. Okay. First, let me show you the credits. Click here on the badge. 750 credits has been added. Initial was 9 credits. So these credits can be received by completing one lab. So please watch that video to get these 750 credits. Alright. Join this game. Click on this. Come back here. Copy this link. Access code. Copy this access code. Paste it here. Join. Submit. Once you join, this is how it looks. Quickly we'll join to all the labs. Just again click here. Copy this access code. These are 1807 spots are there. All the games join first. Then complete these games before end of this month. Now click on the third one. Copy this access code. Click here fourth one. Paste it. Click on join. Here spots are more. But ultimately you can see, right, all the games has to be completed by July 31st. Click on join game. Copy access code. Paste it. Join. 6th game I am joining here. Copy the access code. Join game. Simple. Okay, so all the games you can notice 31st July is the last day to complete all these 6 games. Okay, we can close all these tabs. Now if you click here, you can see these are the 6 games we just now joined here. Okay, all these games has to be completed by 31st of July. You have to finish it. Whenever you have time, slowly complete it. Don't be rushed to finish it. Okay. All right. Now let's talk about the badges. To reach the ultimate milestone, you should complete the 66 badges. So here they already provided the list of badge courses. Here I am going to share this link directly. See, you can notice, right, there are 17 badges which are beginner, and intermediate are 17. Similarly, 17 are advanced. Total 51, 17 threes are. Apart from that, you required 15 more because we required the 66 badges to achieve the ultimate milestone, right? So for that, there you just click on the catalog. The catalog is nothing but all these badges will be displayed there as well. I'll show you. Let it load. You can notice, right, there is a drop down skill badge 93 results. So whatever you are noticing, 17 are coming from here only. Click on entry level. That is nothing but these 17 badges will be displayed here. Apart from that, some extra things also available here. 53 are there. Suppose if you take this, I want to show you. I am just comparing what it is. Okay, you just paste it here. See, the badge is available here. Skill badge should be there. Otherwise, you don't get any benefit. Clear? So that is the reason. Just click here directly on this page. Then you will be launching to the path directly. Click on start. See, this is how you can enroll. All right. So suppose you want to verify what are the badges you already registered here. Dashboard. Here, click on the view activities. Here you can see, right, wherever you are seeing this game badge, that is game, you can see this is a skill badge. So this is how you have to enroll, and this is how you have to join the games. Now I want to show you a few more things. Here you can notice, right, one lab. So in this badge you have to complete one lab. You are going to get 0 credits, but here 4 labs, 4 credits you are going to get it. So that is up to you which one you want to select. So by seeing all these syllabus, what I felt is if you really looking for ultimate, definitely you have to spend at least 5 hours a day for the next 2.5 months. Then only you can achieve ultimate milestone. The point here is not ultimate milestone. Pretty sure if you spend 5 hours a day, you will be learning entire Google Cloud. That is the biggest achievement than all these badges and swags. It would be helpful to your career to get a job. So that is the complete roadmap for the July. Now you know exactly what to do next. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. That gives more motivation to create videos like this, and share our channel with your one friend. That helps to them and it helps to our channel as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.